good one, eh? They need to consider a lot of things, really.
All right.
Let's say Ferrari garage.
Well, I've got one at home actually.
There's so many other things. The only other thing I can think I'd love is a big sauna, but well, it's like I'm actually having the decision. Like, what are you going to put in it?
Hey, I'm Corey. I've been Hey. Hate this.
Hi, I'm Connor. I'm a site super. Alright, take two. Hi, I'm Connor. I'm a site super.
Hey, I don't want to start like that. Oh, my anxiety is through the roof. Okay.
Or the next questions. I can't remember.
I just think you guys are pretty good to work with, to be honest. And I like what I do.
Best favorite part of the build is dealing with our gorgeous electrician, Ben.